Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, with me is my husband Marcel.
Hi guys.
Yes, and Tramel is also here with us today in the background.
Place muddy.
So, we are heading to see Choppy Brown this morning, bringing him some grocery items and to see how he's doing. I trust that all our viewers, our subscribers, our supporters are having a wonderful and beautiful God bless day. And for those who are not, having such a wonderful day, I pray that things will work out in Jesus' name. Oh wow. So all of this dig up part is for what again?
Well, that's all.
Yeah.
Look, I can throw some stuff in this.
Oh.
I'm throwing some, I don't know.
Oh.
So throw business one.
Oh boy.
Chappy! Chappy!
Marcel always got a friend on you, so.
Chappy.
Wow.
Chappy have scallion.
Okay.
Where are you?
Oh wow.
In Choppy? Where are you? Wash?
The place is looking nice again, Marcel.
Yeah, green
Everything
and luscious.
green and fresh. Wow.
Yeah. Where are you going with? Yeah, no. Chappy, morning. What's up?
Say I'm on a give thanks, you know.
Oh, you can't see and you tell me if you turn up. Oh, you know some reach here, so.
See you on. Yeah. Color, color for me.
You see the color? Which color we have on?
Yeah, color and bright color.
So what color this?
This is yellow, like.
Oh.
That's like jeans pants.
Yeah. Yeah, see well.
Then you look straight away, so inside here, so we. I sit down like,
Yeah.
Go on. I sit down and I see more brighter.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Hey, man, I give thanks, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
We'll come check here and see what's going on.
It was chang. There, man, I give thanks, as me say, you know. Yeah. I know I say. He called me and say, I'll show it me. Yes, me, I look, say, I'll come.
Yes. Me see you dig up down there, something you plant?
Away.
Down right at the beginning, at the foot of the hill. Like you dig up, right at the house.
No plan.
What's that trying to there?
Oh, I dirt me to go out and throw.
Oh.
I see if me level come up there, because I dirt too much. I have to try to get it up
Okay.
here, so instead of the goat, I'm going to see up, because they will cost me.
Oh.
So I dirty up the place. I will have to tell you how man bother and tell you how man bother too, because that beg me say, come carry 2 black for me, and I say, carry 2 of them black, you come up, I see 2 struggle me to come up. And I carry them up now, I say, me cut that piece of gutter for you. And then go and do it, and I cut the gutter now, find 2 cut stone, I say, throw them in a hole in the road, by the road, bad enough up here, you see how it done. And I say, if you see one hole, you can throw in there, you throw in there. And the man just come up with him van and come out of it and just start talk. When I dig up a stone throw it in the road, and I dig up stone throw it, I say, I see stone and I'm talking, I never see where I'm talking. And the man come up and I answer him, I have park, see him, I have the front part of the gate, the side left now, I have park and see him, you see man, I see where I'm talking, and the man come out, one excitement. I must go take them, so I go take them, pack up in my pocket. I tell them which part you put them up. And you want to call me now for the cave phone and tell me about Like when I have a coach for church, I go. But me never go. More than I talk. I tell me where I want to talk. So I talk when I want to talk. So I say, look how me turn. If you don't see how me turn, me not better how me turn. You not better how you turn. What's the impact on your pocket? So, same thing you want to tell me not better if me don't see how me turn. Because I cuss off my mother. Nobody not see where your argument comes from. If you are your mother or somebody if you in an argument, no, but then see where you cuss you with.
You always hear what you say.
Yeah, he what them feel say, what them feel say, cause mama, they live here, boy, mama did live here, every day me say my view dead, cause me not take care of my mother. And he left and go to Manchester, all live with a man before my father dead. When my father dead, you know, he left. Come out there, me live out there, Roslyn. Winston, your daddy, when I had dead. I said, then for your husband, and for my father, and you pack up and go to your sweetheart, and left him around. So I say, alright, me going to go to the my dead meat. I come on, come do what I do and up and down until for me can go doctor, me doctor, I do everything till he dead, see where me have here, see where me walk till in the bury. But they stand up a holler. See, so mama come and mama take off before Papa did that. He take up his Salitex, he took up Metro, he took up zinc, he took up everything, he took up board here. Me thank you Father God, he take up what I want, making God, me take up what I want for. Me not cover the come on the sim. And mama take up everything when he can take up and then he go and just live over there and he come back over and satisfy for me and my baby mother live over there. And mama come and tear down the toilet. So my daughter called me and tell me, so I say to my me said, Mama, why can't you come tear the toilet? Where toilet do you be up there, you come tear the toilet? Make Bobby second back copy. Say hat me have to tell him to bad words same way. I remember that I have to tell him to words same way.
Upset your spirit.
Yeah. That not say you know love me same way, but you know love me baby mother I look like.
You have to answer that time then.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because you never have no right to do that.
That's true, man.
You take everything me say now, I'm satisfied, see take one taking us. I'm quarrel. Anything you want to take, me say take off every time I house until we can do back with it. And then go and come back. Tear and one I will tell it one so them I use us. So it hurt me. Then me cuss my mother.
Oh wow.
You know, so my mother say, you know, say my mother say. No man can live here if Denise can't live here. And until now, no man will live over 20 years, you know. So something must go on.
No must.
You can't tell me say so. No man will come back and live here for over them time. I want one come from Carolina and spend a couple night or so when he ready and come in one time.
How she stop come?
Yeah, do me think now, man, I have to catch up. Man, bad girl them serious, man.
You she come bad you up.
And bad me up still, no? Because no, bad him up. I really take out things them, bad him up, go down the road, I tell life for me.
I beg her to stay?
No, sir, I beg him to stay. He came same as he go some other island and he come. Carry on so he come now, yeah. But he take out his name and go down about him. And he want me to spend money and he have a heap of money account and if he all go just phone card crack on give him pick call him or go call one woman call him say he come to embassy that tomorrow come.
How she save money if you go to embassy?
And he say now buy one square land for me to you know, give me no money say when he go up he will send back the money come give me. But then they have to keep up one little thing and I say man better you go down here man. And he did a phone the whole day, so I asked him night. I say, when you go up on, if you go up at town, bus go up 3 o'clock. They ask me, say, I get up about hours, me go out there, they want for me go out there, then I go to town. But you say, oh, Tell me.
Follow her go out there.
Yeah, me I'll follow her if she answer me from early when me go get it, go roll and come back, me look at no card in Bex. And he have the money them. And he no give me no money, about $6 bills he give me to buy food one night time. And I say, yo.
Oh, you want some more money?
Then he no give me money too. He take some money from me and me I just start sick out and he say, well, give you back a money and he no give me.
Then are you woman, man?
I'm a woman.
Then how she there though? Because are you woman she there though?
Just friend and he come look for me.
Yeah. That story this.
I just saw a friend to find and he come look for me and go for a yard go work.
That means that she not happy.
If me could tea, you know, give me. Let me go work and I say, I don't want money if me get up go work. I say, yes, I say, you think me don't have a nobody can't tell me if get up go work.
But you in her bed and she want spread it?
My spread bed. I wash plate of blow. I don't want the 2 coffees to have one. That's something when the way how he behave. I'm going to read him because people somebody say.
I suppose she if you talk how you behave.
I don't behave no way because I try to make everything straight.
You're perfect, Choppy.
I try to make everything straight. You can't say me say I do. I am a some of the thing where you know to do. Can't talk for it, make nobody hear me sometimes. One time there are some person, I put how much I stole on my bed, I do chores and all I hit and gone.
Yeah.
And come out if you gone. I say, well, somebody search up a place to find where I have to. That if I come back, you know, see him come back still. Yes, enough to come back, man. I took my machete and go down the road. I say, I stop up your blow tight, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, she move like a engine. Good, it's in size. But it's in size. I'm a there coming to come check out things. They want me to the road. I give me key. I mean, come on, when I come on, I'll be able to tell you about. So I tell you their lie. So I say, no tell no lie for me, man. You know what you do, not tell no lie. I chuckle him down the road and he thief.
Jesus. Oh boy.
Thief in girl, man.
You thief nothing for you?
Right now, my paper then gone, my land paper then my birth paper then gone out your land paper, all kind of land paper, cheapest land paper gone at time, even if I know him gone with them.
You know, so you can't judge her.
But at the same time, he's spiteful, man. I come and say, you see, we take him, how the man are quiet. Come here, boy.
Come back. Maybe she plans to come back.
No, man, I plan to come back for a couple of years now, you know. I don't see him. He come back here. He come back here. I see him, but I don't say nothing to him. I send Kate go to the road, go look personally for him. I boy I talk how if I want to come and I say see number I see remember the 90 or 91 on the phone. The last number. I remember I say yeah. I send Kate go to the road, go enjoy me to what a car get and Kate say come back and say me say him. I see me know say him and I tell the man say a woman in the road and I run me down. I say first I want to come here. You know, come back when you come see me. But a shop come see me say, you know, come back over, you know, come back over youth.
Yeah.
But my talk like a African born. Yeah, I know me what chick everything talk. I can't come from Africa. I say nothing to him, I say nothing to him none at all still, because show him go, I want you to come check me, I say nothing to him, no, I don't know. But for that, you know, come back over a youth around me down, say, you never used to come on that to, so I say, alright, then the argument.
So maybe she did check him when she did there?
I phone him back up on, just like, phone him back up on. And Jay book him up one day on phone too. And Jay out the road there. I got married, and they are read. So they must have book up one that time. And he asked me if he don't know me or something. I say yes or something.
No, she only read, she not right.
Right, great.
So Chappy,
Yeah,
we're bringing some groceries. You hear?
yeah.
So let me hand them over to you. You have a lot of beans and stuff in there, peas and so. Okay.
Alright.
All right.
Thanks, man.
You are welcome.
Yeah,
The tank full of water, Chappy.
look like you have, you know.
Chappy tank not set good, you know.
What is?
This shine zinc with the panel leather, you know, going to hit.
You're going to it.
No, you gone to his side over, so.
You go on the other zinc.
Oh
You
no.
know, run panny.
It's to the side by itself. You're not going to the tank.
That's so nice water pass since 2 days.
So you probably not catch none yesterday.
Yesterday, that me wouldn't catch no yesterday then.
No?
Oh no.
Ziggy did say, son, go up and fix it, but it looks like 2 days in here, so anytime I see so me push out, it look like, say. No, me push out, it come to here so far away, so it like it should be.
Come over.
And say me now, I just move from now.
In there now.
Alright, hold it, me say, in it there.
Yeah.
This is the one catch right there, sir. Okay, I know, but some go along if I catch it good.
You can't use that touch, you know, you want something for it.
Down here, sir. Down here, sir. Down here, sir.
Yeah, Mama. I kneel.
Okay, sir.
I'm kneel, Mama. I'm kneel, okay.
Chappy probably not catch not an ounce of water yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, show off both of them.
Go half, man.
Yeah, no, I got it.
You know?
Yeah.
It go half.
You did half for a long time?
It go half, man.
What kind of hammer this? Your grandfather hammer?
Knock it down. Becky, yeah.
So big.
Knock it down, yeah. Becky.
Are you making?
Are you making it?
Yeah, for give me one of them machine I use my camera come one good.
Yeah, I see him hammer them there.
Why?
About 3 hammer, I'm supposed to have.
Yeah. Hi, morning.
Give me one nail there, Chappy.
I'm going to give you one.
Mona, you not got a stone.
Mommy, no money.
Yeah, tell me so. Tell her the part.
No.
Give me part. You give me this.
Hi, morning. Wanna come look for Chappy?
Chappy have visitors.
Chappy, Mona and her sister come look for you.
Hold it there, Chappy. Hold it right. Don't make him
What
move.
are you going to nail it on?
Yeah, nail one piece of light and make it cut.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Japa. Knock it down. Yeah, knock it down. Yeah, so I want to catch down.
That good one, you know what I know. You have my firm door. I said, knock one nail, Japa.
Yeah, I have to know if you're running, you know.
Oh, watch out. The stick come out.
Good hammer, you know.
Good, I have a TMC at 3 of them you have.
So where next one? Next two, they give me one.
No, okay, my car.
Piece of hungry pan.
Well, I need to wear a 4 hammer me have, I want a stone hammer like. We give Ziggy one day, Ziggy say no want it. So 3 of them work, me say them the hammer they are good work for them the hammer do them work. So say no want it, so me left it. Left it on a house one day. Left it on a house and I go back and ask him if he see it. He say yes, he take up it out, put it on a hanger.
That they have my mouth mash up, that no good.
You know good?
No.
Well, they don't have no more to get them, I know they don't.
Me not get none. I say me not no more forget like me get one.
Get one already.
We don't know if you find it out.
That I was the stone you use it broke.
I don't know how to take a lick.
Oh boy. Alright, Choppy, we're going to run now because Simona can't check you.
Now run it.
So she can't look for her friend, Choppy.
Alright, now run it. Let me see me find something can give.
Oh, okay. Oh, she a focus man. How we Chappy again now?
Yam say yam.
Yes. Oh. You get yam choppy, you know, this a hard time.
I see if they do say up here, I say that on the seat night bag.
Oh, so they want, oh, this a few. Oh, God bless you, Chappy. Thank you. Get yam, guys.
Yeah.
Pretty too.
Take it out.
Yeah.
Take it out bag.
You don't want it to pretty?
No, me put it back.
We just a show off.
Oh, thank you, Choppy.
Yeah.
Cook yam and butter this weekend.
Alright, sir. You know that. Say time, cook me say yam and butter more time, you know.
Yeah.
All 2 flour and some butter too, you know, brother, because I say time, you know. You left your mic.
Yeah, we're not gonna it. We're not gonna it.
Choppy, may I pick some of your pepper?
Yeah, man, pick pepper, man. Now you can't cheat, come. The chile, you have 10 of that chile, you can sell 100 pounds.
See?
100 chile like that, you make one pick, you can sell 100
Yeah,
pounds.
make them ripe up on the tree, Chappy.
Yeah, and you know, say, them pick them off last week. One of them pick them last week. And Ziggy come and pick. Everybody come pick. Everybody come pick.
You eat pepper and Mona?
Pick.
3 pepper in the cup soup, Mona. I don't know me I say, because I know pepper hot. Are they not hot?
So I pick the body hot.
So, but me not use 3, me go use 1.
Look at this. The right part, they were hot.
A pepper soup we make.
Alright, Miss
A
Mona,
pepper soup.
thank you.
Pepper soup, you. Mona.
Pepper and hot.
Oh, these are hot.
The green one?
It tastes weird. It tastes,
Hot, right?
yeah. Really pick that.
So ripe one, you put in the soup?
Yeah. Can't put pepper, we can't manage it.
Okay.
We manage it, we dash it.
What's about the school business right now?
So we mother
You go to school yesterday?
How much a day if we go to school?
Okay, $500.
$500 per day?
I mean, what happened to about it?
$1,000 I want. I think we take you 500.
Sometimes $1,000.
And you get you $1,000, you know, on gas school. And Vicks.
$50 are happening.
$50 a hurt you? So you
You can't go pull it eat them and you know,
Me go hot, Chappy.
you better go pull them out, that's all I tell you.
Me go hot.
Eagle no hot nothing. I know eagle no hot.
So you need to go for hot. You need to go can't feel nothing.
You can't hot in all the
Yeah, you go hot.
you know even hot. Just a house no more.
I'm
Me
fine.
have money now, me have money now.
Then what that do?
Yeah, like a girl.
Yeah, me know about me have money.
Okay.
Yeah, little girl woman.
Still me want to talk about it in a hot. Me never feel me yet.
Oh, you mean if me have him because all
Thank you,
on
baby. Alright. I'm not stress out Mona right now. So she get frustrated. Alright guys, so this is where we end the video for today. Thanks to everyone, you know, for your continued support. Thanks for donating and thank you always for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye-bye.
Yes, a Chappy. Yeah?
You see you, Mona? What you say happen with you?
Right, my mother had no money. I'm a broke. My father broke. My father was broke down. My mother was broke down. Everybody broke down. So everybody turned break.
Everybody turn what?
Break.
Everybody turn break. Oh, well, yes, we reach lunchtime. Break now,
Yeah, break now.
So we get lunch.
But you're not telling you no break.
Mona, we talk to mommy here.
Mommy, no tell money.
Not tell her nothing. Oh, but she'll see you and hear you.
Eh?
She'll go see and hear you.
Yeah, she not see her. She will see you when you go home.
That's finance.
Take it out.
Finance.
I'll take the way you do.
I take it now, go spam for it's a problem. You never tell me say see it yet.
Ah boy, you need to go to school, Miss Mona.
Tomorrow you go to school, not you?
Why is that? You know?
You got school later?
church. You get to school over, Chappy?
You know, by school up the road. You know, Friday.
Tell me mother have no money, you just in a Chappy?
You know how money figure evening class.
I walk if you walk.
Then you walk for your good.
I walk come back my what's up?
Walk for your good. You are good, you know.
I want some school to go?
No, I want class.
Just patch up the road.
Oh, okay.
Class.
Alright, we talk to your mommy about the school business, yeah? No, we have to tell her, she'll tell we.
Alright guys, blessed love. Take care.
Yeah. I didn't know, I should have go on parts. I don't know where to put in parts.